I am Arif Ahmed with metric number of 54426. In the final year project, I have developed an application. The application is cost management mobile application. My supervisor name is Dr. Dayang Hanani Binte Abang Ibrahim and examiner is Dr. Lim P. Chin. So I am going to start the presentation. This is the content. Introduction. This project is an attempt to manage daily expense in a more efficient and manageable way. The application seeks to free the user from the burden of manual calculation in their expenditure. Problem statement. Managing expense is important for our rapidly growing daily life. To manage expenses, people use notepad, sticky note and receipts to list on their income, expenses and overall budgetary plan. It takes more time and calculation might be wrong. Hence, managing expense has been a challenging task that requires improvement for future use. To manage finance efficiently, an improvement which is by using an automated system is needed to make life more easier. This is because an automated system will help people managing their budget is more efficient way and in short time. Objective. This project will carry out the following specified objective. Number 1 is to design and develop a system that can help plan, monitor and control finance of a user. And number 2 will be to provide automatic updates and calculation in the application. And number 3 is to visualize the pattern of daily expense through chart. The scope of project. The scope focused to people who are having problem in managing their expenditure. This application will give benefit to users such as making financial plan and tracking the budget flow in an easy way, calculating and keeping budget plan in a well organized place. And the last one is it is useful for disciplining the user in managing their expenses. Expected outcome. The cost management mobile application is developed to design and develop a system that can help monitor and control the finance of a user. Number 2 is automatic updates and calculation will be provided in the application to manage expenses easier. Number 3 is the pattern of daily expenses can be visualized through chart. The last is that through this application it will be useful for the user to monitor the budget planning. Methodology. The model used for cost management mobile application is waterfall model. This is because this model is used to manage due to its rigidity as each phase has specific deliverables and review process. In this model, phases are processed and completed one at a time without being overlapped. So this model is suitable for this application as the requirements are clear. Comparison between existing and proposed system. The aim of this project is to propose a simple and user-friendly system based on the expenses tracking application to help the user managing their expenses. Some of features are same with the existing apps and some are not available in the existing apps which is available in the proposed system. The proposed application is distributed freely while the existing system is gained through payment to get premium features. In the proposed system, the application will notify the user when they are running low on cash through a reminder feature. User also can visualize their report for income and expenses by daily, weekly, or monthly basis. System design. Here using the 4 types: use case diagram, sequence diagram, class diagram, activity diagram, and lastly use user interface. Use case diagram. A use case diagram is a dynamic behavior in UML. Use case diagrams model the functionality of a system using actors and use cases. Use cases are a set of actions, service, and function that system needs to perform. Based on use case diagram, there are 2 actors, user and system admin. Besides that, there are 21 use cases. The use cases are sign up, sign in, add income, edit income, delete income, select currency, add currency, delete category, add expenses, edit expenses, delete expense, reminder, view report, share report, clear data, logout, authentication, save data, prepare report, and notify user. Sequence diagram. A sequence diagram simply depicts the interaction between objects in sequential order. Example, in order in which this interaction takes place. Sequence diagram describes how and what order in object in a system function. The sequence diagrams are sign in, add, edit, and delete income, add and delete category, add, edit, and delete expense, currency change, reminder, view and share report, clear data, and logout. Those are the sequence diagram for sign up, login, sequence diagram add, edit, and delete income, sequence diagram add and delete category, sequence diagram add and delete expense, sequence diagram for currency change, sequence diagram for reminder, sequence diagram for view and share report, sequence diagram for clear data, sequence diagram for logout. Class diagram. Class diagram is a static diagram. It represents the static view of an application. Class diagram describes the attribute operation of a class and constraints imposed on the system. Activity diagram. The activity diagram shows how the user uses the cost management mobile application. This is the user interface. User interface. First user interface is for the login. So after successfully registered, user can be login with registered email and password. And the second interface is for the navigation page. Here user can be easily added category and can go the currency and everything can do through the navigation page. And the third page is the for the currency change. User can choose the preferable currency. And the fourth interface is the home page. From the home page, user easily can check their how much they spend and how much available balance and which category they spend how much. And this page, the first interface is for the category. Here I have the 4 default category, and user also can be added more category as much as one. And second interface is to add the category. User easily can add the category, can add income, and also can be delayed and edit income. And also user can be share the report. Just simply click on the share button and user can view their report daily, last 7 days, last 14 days, last 30 days, and also user can view the report in specific date by customized date. And with the setting option, user can update their profile picture and also can uh, set a reminder balance. So when the balance is, like I said here, 50 ringgit, so when balance is reach the 50 ringgit, then the notification message will pop up, your balance is running low. Testing is the process of validation and verifying the system meets the program and requirement. Testing helps to execute the system and to find the error and bugs. The goal of testing is to make sure that the developed system should work as expected. And the table is for the acceptance testing as of use is survey among 20 users. So all is their feedback. It's actually user friendly, so it's easy to use for all user, all all the ages people. Conclusion: cost management mobile application, which is to provide a proper financial tracking in one place, it only makes a matter of minutes, and it's giving user a clear snapshot of user finance by automatic calculation. Although there are some limitations in the system, but it can be overcome this limitation and can be improved and extend the future proofing its user with better service and experience. The limitation of this in this application: through the implementation phase of the proposed system, there are some limitations of the constraints occurring, such as the expense data all is together, it cannot be separated by monthly basis. It can be visualized report by customized date. And if once data is deleted, it cannot be restored anymore. Feature work. For feature enhancement of cost management mobile application, first and foremost, the limitation which I mentioned previously should be taken care of. However, there are still some features and functionalities that can be included as well as being improved in the system to have an effective, efficient and systemic app-based system. The following are some of the recommendations that can be implemented in the future. Store expense and income data in monthly basis, able to restore the deleted data, develop a features, can scan invoice to key in expense data automatically. Thank you very much. I am going to present the application. For the new user, have to sign up first. For the sign up, click on the sign up button, fill the form. Then after fill the form, click on the sign up button. User registered successfully. For the login, have to use the registered email and password. And click on sign up button. Sign in button. So successfully sign in. On the top left corner have three line button. Click here, the navigation page will appear. For the currency change, click on the currency button and can choose from here the preferable currency. So I am going to choose Ringgit Malaysia. So it's successfully chosen. Now I am going to add category. For the category, select category button. To add here have 4 default category, also can be added more category as much as one. So to to add category, click on plus button. After finish the category name, then click on the select image to select relevant image, then click on add button. So you successfully add one category. To add more category is the same procedure. If user not choose the any image, then one default image will be automatically chosen. So here I am not going to choose the image. See, for the fuel, this default image is automatically chosen. So we try another one to show is automatically chosen the default picture. Is chosen the default picture. If user want to delete, also can be delete the category. So click on the delete button, click on the yes. So now I have this category. So now I'm going to show to add, delete and edit the income. So I have to click on the income button. So for to add the income, so click on the plus button to add income and select the preferable date. So maybe some user forget to input their expense not today, earlier, so they can add the expense also in different date. So I'm going to choose the 18. Okay. 120.50 also can be used decimal point. So description, select image, also can be choose from gallery, also can be used camera. So I'm going to choose from gallery. Is successfully added. We try another one. Select date. For the same date will be calculate all together. I'm going to show. So choose the same date 18. Now it is 80 ringgit 50 cent. Description, same as salary. Now going to show the camera one. So can take picture. Is successfully added. The income is 201. For the 18, use 2 transaction, so all is calculate together. See, it will be easier for user that which date spend how much. Also can be edit. So for the edit, click on the edit button. So 80.50 change to 200. Save. See, here also is change. So now it's become 3 to 0.50. Now I am going to show delete one. So for the delete, click on the delete button, then yes. So our home page should be 200. It's 200. another going to add another income for today 22. Okay, amount is 120.50 cents. If user don't want to add the image, also can proceed. See, now income have two category. User can be spin it to view more perfectly. And click on the income button to view daily. Today just now added 100 daily is 120.50 is for the today one. So last 7 days same, 2 transaction only, so it's last 7 days 18. From today 22 to 18 is last 7 days. Also last 14 days is same, last 30 is also same. Also user can be customized, can see the customize by customize. So select date. See, I want to look for 22, date 22, how much I add income. So get chart is 22. And for the user to enable the reminder to remind them if balance is running low, so I have to go setting and go reminder and set the balance, then new notification will pop up that your balance is running low. So I set here 50 ringgit. So when my balance is 50 ringgit reach, then notification will pop up. So now I'm going to add the expense. Click same on plus button to add the expense. To add expense first need to select the category. So I'm going to select the category grocery, select date is 18, 10, 50, description, select image, submit. So you successfully added 151 ringgit 50 cent. I'm going to select same date. Amount is 50 ringgit. So it's all calculating together as it's same date and same category. So I'm going to choose now different date and the same category. Grocery, select date, different date 10 ringgit 50 cent. So as is same category, this way is all calculating together. So now trying to add another under another category, fuel, select date today, amount 10 ringgit. Now have two category, one is fuel and the one is groceries. Fuel spent 10 ringgit and groceries is 62. See, here this fuel is same category, so all calculate is together. So here is two category. So to view the chart, report, click on the chart. So here can be see the report. So if want to select the expense, click on expense. If income, click on income on the expense. If want to show by daily, last 7 days, 14 days, so click on daily. So daily spend 10 ringgit for the fuel, today 22. If last 7 days, then is 61.50. Last 30 days is 152.0. So if user want to look for the specific date, so click on the customize and select the date, which specific date user want to look. Let's say you want to look on 22 today, 22 get chart. So here today I spend 10 ringgit. So also it can be share. So for the share, click on the share button. It's already create the PDF. So no WhatsApp. Is the report. Here also from the home page can be see how much available balance, 168 ringgit 50 cent, and my current balance is 32. Now I'm going to add another 150. So now my balance is 18 ringgit. If I exit the application, then I in again, notification will pop up, my balance is running low. Here is the notification. So for the update profile, have to go settings and update profile. So here can be update profile. Let's check. I changed this one to 97. Update. Now go check again. Update profile is already update 97. Also the password, email, everything can be updated. If user want to delete all the data, so also can be deleted from here. Setting, clear all data. So if click on the yes data, all data will be gone. Click yes, here no more data here, and can be log out from here. If user want to log in again, yes, login. See, if user want to log out, anytime can be log out and anytime can be login. Thank you very much.